With the largest installed base of credit control software in the UK, Dracer's Credit Hound software offers solutions for Sage 50, Sage 200 and Sage Enterprise Management. So whatever your business size, Credit Hound will enable you to get paid faster. Credit Hound from Dracer makes your credit control processes more efficient and effective. Credit Hound reduces admin workload, automates your debt chasing, gives you a central place to manage queries, and helps you get paid on time. On opening Credit Hound, there are a number of different widgets. These are designed to give the credit controller as much information as possible about the current state of their accounts. Many of the widgets are drillable to allow access to extra information. For example, the Aged Debt widget offers a drill down to view the debt for each aging period. Credit Hound offers automation in the format of rules and actions. In each rule, it is possible to set a range of criteria to filter the accounts and transactions held in Credit Hound. The results of the filtering then have the required action performed against them. For example, to write them a chase letter, or to put the account on stop, or simply to generate a to-do in the credit controller's task list, known as the to-do list, for the credit controller to call the customer at a later date. Clicking Run displays all the transactions or accounts which meet the criteria. The user running the rule can then choose to deselect various customers if they don't want the customer to receive, for example, that letter at this time. The accounts list is a full list of all accounts being fed through to Credit Hound from your accounting system. The Aged Debt list uses the same functionality, but only displays accounts which currently have an overdue balance. Each list can be filtered in multiple ways to enable you to identify accounts according to your needs. The Chasing Account screen shows all the information about a specific account. At the top of the screen is a list of all current transactions, along with notes of previous calls and letters and notes for each individual transaction. The Account Info section holds various information which will be useful when it is time to chase a customer for payment by phone call. The to-do list is a list of tasks created for that credit controller in order to focus their time on calling the correct customers at the correct time. To-dos can be generated by an automated rule or at the time of a manual chase. A recommended process is that an automated to-do is generated if a customer has received a number of chase letters and still not paid. At that point, the credit controller will call them to discuss their payment based on their automated to-do. The credit controller will then plan to call them back if their promised payment is not received. So a customer will continue to receive scheduled calls until they pay their payment. Recording the conversation during the call, adding notes and promised cash values that feed back through to the home dashboard will give the business a forecast of payments they can expect in the coming weeks. Credit Hound then generates professional-looking follow-ups in order to confirm with the customer the payment they have just agreed. Credit Hound includes a suite of reports such as aged debt reports, dispute analysis and promised cash reports, giving your business the best possible view of key data metrics across the business at any moment in time. Credit Hound can be configured to meet your exact requirements. Don't take our word for it, talk to your Sage business partner or get in touch with Dracer for further information or a more in-depth demonstration.